Shut up and sit down.
So, hello and welcome from the GR Sport Yaris. And this is another video in the tips and tricks series. I was asked a question. Do you need to warm one of these cars up first thing in the morning when you get into it? Or can you just drive it straight away after starting it? Drive it straight away from driving it. Don't bother warming it up. Just take it easy and monitor the temperature gauge. Wait till you got some heat in the engine before you start pushing on. There's no point warming a modern car up. Not the way these hybrids work. No point at all. Just get in them, start them, drive them. Modern fuel injection is not like an old carburettor engine where you had a choke, where you got the car going, you've got the choke pulled out, you've got the car on fast idle. They're not that nice to drive. But the way computers control cars these days, you've got no cold start issues. Hybrids always start every single time. They're programmed first thing in the morning to start the engine, to bring it up to temperature. Then they'll drop onto the hybrid system. They won't do that straight away when they're cold. The reason why Toyota do that is to bring the engine up to temperature so it is ready to be used as and when required. Even if you're driving along on a cold day and you're in electric mode, but the temperature falls below a certain threshold in the engine's going to start, bring the engine back up to whatever temperature Toyota have programmed into it, and that's how the system's going to work. It'll always keep the engine at an optimum temperature. That's how it's designed to work, and that's how it works. So just drive them straight from cold. Monitor temperature gauge. Once you've got some heat in it, drive it normally. Thank you for watching another tips and tricks video from the GR Sport. I hope you're enjoying the series. Please consider clicking like below, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.